It's been really cold in the Central Valley here recently, but we don't really get a lot of snow and ice, so we thought it'd be kind of fun to make a decorative icicle out of flat stock in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. Step one, we're going to take our flat stock and taper it out so it goes to a gradual point. We're using the face of the anvil to make the wedges on the sides to make it pointy, but also keeping it flat at the same time. We're getting that gradual taper to a finer point, but we're going to heat this up again so we have some workable metal. Back over to the face, and we're going to keep working on that gradual taper. Now that we have a pretty good point, we're going to work up here and make that taper go a little bit longer. Back into the fire for one more heat. Now we're going to bring it over and we're going to work on making the main body of it just a little bit longer. We're going to make that look a lot more gradual. Now we're going to put it back into the fire and we're going to add a hole in the top so that we can hang it up later. We're going to bring it over to the face of the anvil again where I have a hold fast that I can keep tight with my foot. I'm going to bring a round punch over to the very top right here. Now I'm going to compress this until I get a nice loud ding on the other side. And that's going to tell me I got all the compression out of this side that I can. Now that we have that, that's compressed into a little puck. We're going to heat it up again and flip it, and we're going to punch that hole out again. Now we're going to use the same punch, but this side has the hole that we started. We're going to put it this way. We're going to find the part that was the most flat, and we're going to push through to the other side until we've sheared through the metal. We made a hole all the way through. Now we can flatten that out a little bit. To add a little bit more of a decorative factor, we're going to take a ball peen hammer, a small one, and use the round side, just to add a little patina, which is going to be little dents and divots on the surface. That'll show up after we brush it and it's all said and done. Flip this around. Do the same thing to the bottom. Now it's ready for us to give it a twist. Take this out and we're going to put just a little bit of the tip into the vise. Crank it down tight. I'm going to use my tongs to start and finish that twist. That looks good. Center this up. We're going to brush off all the scale coming off of it. Tongs. Same thing to the opposite side. We're going to bring it over to the water and we're going to punch it. there we have it. A decorative iron icicle made out of flat stock in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort.